Hello, dear friends. My name is Aura Raquel Villa. I am 38 years old. I live in Sabana de Torres, Santander. Considering the movie that you work with on the writing activity, I am going to present a video answering the following question. Movie's name, Cinderella. Plot, beginning, not ending. Beginning. Cinderella was a beautiful young woman. She lived happily with her father, who was a widower. Her father married a woman, mother of 2 daughters. After some time, when Cinderella's father dies, the stepmother full of the envy towards Cinderella for her kindness and beautiful trees her with despise and contempt, making the sweet her to be a servant in her own house. Anyway, she still remains strong and serene. The king organized a royal ball to find his son the prince a wife. No. The invitation was sent to all the maids and ladies of the reign. However, the stepmother stopped Cinderella from assisting to the party with her stepsister and brought her dress. As Cinderella cries, her fairy godmother appears, transforming her into a fairy tale princess so she could get to the royal ball. She transferred 4 maids into 4 steeds, 2 lizards into lakes, a goose into a driver, a pumpkin into a carriage, and transferred her broken dress into a beautiful blue dress, along with a beautiful pair of crystal slippers to go to the dance, as well as warning Cinderella that the spell would break at midnight. Cinderella and the prince fall in love at first sight and dance all night, but at midnight Cinderella remembered the warning of her fairy godmother and ran off the royal ball, losing one of her slippers. After this, what happens is that the father of the prince, the king, dies. Ending. So the new king decides to make a royal edict, which is to try the shoeless by Cinderella on all the young women and marry the one who fit, but find out that unfortunately none of them fit. The stepmother and her daughter try to prevent Cinderella's sleeper from being tried on her, but she finally tested in it and especially fit like a glove on Cinderella's feet, who, fulfilling the royal habit, marries the prince. Marries the prince. Cinderella forgives all the evil done to her by the stepmother and stepsister, therefore escaping to another region. The government of the new king becomes the most fair of all time. The end.